Hi, I'm Dave Oliver from Diabetes Plus with Dave. Listen up. If you've just been told you have diabetes, or you've had it for years and still feel confused and overwhelmed, this is for you. My new paperback book is now live on Amazon. It's called Diabetes, Now What? The Real World Guide. I wrote this book in plain, everyday language. No scare tactics, no miracle cures, and no heavy medical jargon. Just real world steps from someone who's been living with diabetes for over 30 years and helping others through education, nutrition, exercise, and consistency. Inside, I walk you through what's really happening in your body, how to make sense of your numbers, simple ways to build meals you can actually live with, and what to do after those I blew it days so you don't give up on yourself. This book is for people with diabetes, prediabetes, and for family members who want to better understand and support someone they love. It also makes a thoughtful holiday gift. If you know someone living with diabetes or prediabetes, this is something they can use all year long, not just another thing that ends up on a shelf. To learn more and get your copy, just click the link in the description. It will take you to my diabetes book page on my website, and from there you can click the link to go straight to the Amazon listing. If you'd like more personal support, you can also book a 60-minute session with me through my website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this book helps you or someone you care about feel less alone and more in control of their health. Happy holidays!